What if you could launch a business this weekend and make your first $1,000? No fluff, no fancy degree, just 48 hours of hustle. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what Million Dollar Weekend by Noah Kagan is all about, and today, I'm breaking it down step by step for you. Here, you'll learn how to find a great idea, validate it without wasting time, pitch customers like a pro, and start making money fast, but with effort. Whether you're a solopreneur, a side hustler, or just dreaming of being your own boss, this video is your blueprint. Stick around, because at the end, I've got a challenge that could change your life. Let's dive in. What is Million Dollar Weekend? It's a book by Noah Kagan, the guy who started AppSumo, a company that's made millions by selling software deals. Noah's big idea? You don't need months or millions to start a business. You just need one weekend, 48 hours, to test an idea, get customers, and make money. Here's the deal: most people overthink starting a business. They wait for the perfect idea or get stuck in planning mode. Noah says, screw that. Start now, start small, and start scrappy. His framework is all about three things: finding a problem, validating your solution, and monetizing fast. Let's break it down with some real-world examples to get you pumped. By the end of this video, you'll have a game plan to launch your own business, even if you're starting from zero. But first, let's talk about why this works. Noah's done it himself. AppSumo started as a side hustle, and he's coached thousands to do the same. Ready? Let's go! Step 1. Find a problem worth solving. Noah says the best businesses come from problems you're passionate about or see in your own life. Think about it. What annoys you? What do your friends complain about? That's your goldmine. For example, Noah started AppSumo because he saw small businesses struggling to afford software. He thought, what if I could get them deals? Boom! Problem solved, business born. Here's how you do it. A. Brainstorm 10 problems in your life or community. Maybe it's long dog walking waitlists or boring fitness classes. Write them down. B. Pick one you're excited about. Passion keeps you going when things get tough. C. Talk to people. Ask friends, co-workers, or strangers what bugs them about that problem. Noah calls this problem validation. Let me tell you about Sarah, let's say a person who lives near your community. She noticed her neighbors struggled to find reliable pet sitters. She asked 10 people if they pay for a vetted pet sitting service. 8 said yes. That's a signal. Pro tip: don't overcomplicate it. Your idea doesn't need to be groundbreaking, it just needs to solve a real pain point. Got your problem? Awesome! Pause the video, jot down a few ideas, and meet me in the next step. Step 2. Validate your idea before you build anything. This is where most people mess up. They spend weeks creating a product nobody wants. Noah's hack? Test demand fast. Here's how. A. Create a quick pitch. Make a one-sentence offer, like, I'll walk your dog for $20 while you're at work. B. Reach out to 10 people. Use cold emails, DMs, or even in-person chats. Noah's big on asking directly, don't be shy. C. Pre-sell or collect interest. Ask for a commitment, like a deposit or an email sign-up. If 3 out of 10 say yes, you're onto something. Check this out. Sarah, our pet-sitting hero, made a free landing page with a Book Now button. She shared it in a local Facebook group and got 5 bookings in 24 hours. No fancy website, no logo, just hustle. Here's a cold email script sample for you to see. Hey, state your name. I'm starting a pet sitting service for busy professionals. Would you pay $20 for a reliable, vetted sitter? Reply if interested. The key? Don't fear rejection. Noah says every no gets you closer to a yes. Validation is your safety net. It saves you time and money. So go ask 10 people today. Step 3. Monetize fast. Noah's all about getting paid before you overbuild. Once you've validated your idea, create a minimum viable product, an MVP. That's the simplest version of your offer. Here's the playbook. A. Set a price. Don't undervalue yourself, charge what the problem's worth. Sarah charged $25 per walk, higher than competitors, because she offered vetted sitters. B. Deliver manually. Don't automate yet. Sarah walked dogs herself for the first week to learn what customers wanted. C. Upsell or repeat. Offer packages, like 5 walks for $100, or ask for referrals. Example, Jake, a fitness coach, watched Noah's videos and offered group workout classes. He posted on Instagram, got 10 sign-ups at $250 each, and made $2,500 in a weekend. His MVP? A Zoom call and a Google Doc for scheduling. Pro tip: use tools like PayPal, Stripe, or even Venmo to collect payments fast. Reinvest your profits to improve your service, like Sarah hiring more sitters. C. You don't need a fancy setup to make bank. Start small, get paid, and grow from there. Let's tie it all together with more examples. Noah's AppSumo started with a simple email to his network offering software deals. Today, it's a multi-million-dollar company. But it began with one weekend of hustle. Another example, Maria, a graphic designer, used $1 million weekend to launch a logo design service. She validated demand by messaging 15 small businesses, got 3 clients at $500 each, and scaled by hiring freelancers. Now she runs a 6-figure agency. The secret to scaling? Listen to feedback. If customers love your dog walking service but want evening slots, add them. If they ask for grooming, test it. Noah calls this iterating. Use your early profits to build systems, like a website or a team, to handle growth. But here's the kicker: you don't need to scale huge to win. Making $1,000 a weekend as a side hustle can change your life. It's about starting where you are. Applications. A. Solopreneurs. Use the 48-hour challenge to test side hustle ideas, like freelancing or e-commerce, without quitting your day job. B. Small business owners. Apply validation techniques to launch new products or services with minimal risk. C. Aspiring entrepreneurs. Build confidence by starting small, such as selling a digital product or service locally, and scale with feedback. D. Students or young professionals. Experiment with low-cost ideas, like tutoring and content creation, to gain entrepreneurial experience. Alright, it's your turn. I'm challenging you to try the $1 million weekend this week. Pick one problem, validate it with 10 people, and make your first sale. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to start. Share your results in the comments, I'm reading every single one. Want more? Subscribe and hit the bell for more ideas. Check out $1 Million Weekend with the link below. You've got 48 hours to change your life. What are you waiting for? Let's do this. Please note that not all will work out, there will be failures. For more videos, subscribe and share. Thanks.